Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about what is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Eagan, Minnesota. First of all, Chapter 7 bankruptcy is the most commonly filed bankruptcy. And when people think about bankruptcy, they're thinking about Chapter 7. And the idea is, you sort of hit the reset button and the debts are gone and you lose no assets. The focus in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is on your assets. Debtors in Chapter 7 bankruptcy don't make payments back to their creditors. Instead, the focus is on your assets. And your assets are what we call exempt. And if they're exempt, you get to keep them. You don't lose them. And that's the vast majority of people who file bankruptcy. Or they are non-exempt. And if they're non-exempt, then you're going to lose them. You either have to buy these assets back from the trustee, or the trustee is going to sell these assets. Trustees don't want assets, non-exempt assets. What they really want is the money. Because their responsibility is to liquidate, sell non-exempt assets, use those proceeds to pay down your debt, and whatever debt doesn't get paid off gets wiped out tax-free forever. So for example, if you have a boat and you can't protect it, and it's worth $10,000, trustee sells it, takes the $10,000, pays down your debt, let's say it's $100,000, so 10 grand of 100 grand gets paid, $90,000 gets wiped out tax-free forever. It's a wonderful tool to right the ship, and I've never had somebody yet regret it when the time's right. When you're ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so thankful you did.